Saudi Arabia right now is talking about granting citizenship to robots. And there are women now who are saying, well, you can't even give us our rights, but you want to give them to machines. All sorts of ethical questions are raised there. The EU Parliament has talked about giving robots electronic personhood. Now, that doesn't mean that an individual robot has a right to go to court. What it means that, in America, corporations are sometimes treated as individuals when it comes to lawsuits. I don't have time to go into that today, and there are probably legal minds here who would do a much better job of it. But now the EU's taken that a step further and said we want to be able to treat classes of robots in the same way under law. So robotics isn't going anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, YouTube shows you that Sony couldn't get a robot to walk 10 years ago. Now they can run and walk and play football. And of course, we're increasingly anthropomorphizing machines to make them look human, to the point where by 2050, according to 3 academics in New Zealand at the University of Wellington, by 2050, human prostitutes will no longer exist because robot prostitutes will have taken their place. And according to these 3 academics, that's a very good thing because 1, we will have cut down on STDs among human beings. Secondly, we would have cut down on the sex trade among human beings. And thirdly, countries in Asia that rely on sex tourism would still be able to get their money. Now, just for me personally, even that we have academics thinking like that is a bit of a concern. But all of this is raised. Please remember, it's not the automation that's the problem. It's never the technology that's the problem. I think we all accept, do we not, that technology is amoral. It's not good, it's not bad, it's human choice that makes the difference. It's how we choose to use it that makes the difference between a great future and something less desirable.